welcome. My name is Artemis Blackfire, and today we're going to play Blacksad. Is the key to success. The harder you bang, the muckier you get. No dung, no glory. Okay. Fuck the what? It's stuck.
Locked. But a true detective never leaves home without his... Huh? Sometimes even the most experienced detective has to go home to get his lockpicks.
Oh, I've got nothing else to do. Do. Hello? Hello? Pick up the phone. Mom 471.
I hope that wasn't a client. Although probability would suggest a cold call. Or, even worse, the War Veterans Therapy Group.
I don't understand why it goes blurry on his
face.
face.
Left the lockpicks on the table.
Why are you gone blurry?
What did you do to earn the admiration of a millinery cultured distant cousin? What if the only thing that keeps you going is the very thing that won't let you move on? It's too soon to say goodbye. She wouldn't hear me anyway.
Natalia. Aww. I can't get away from these damn cards. Okay. Don't really want.
Who cares if I drink or not? The truth? I use tequila to clean my lockpicks. In fact, I just finished cleaning them when that rhino walked in.
Hey.
I knocked them down during the fight.
I will check that in a second. Why does it go blurry on some of them? I don't understand.
Weekly did a fine job with these pictures. Maybe I should give him a call. Although I hope he never finds out I turned down a hefty bribe to keep quiet.
Took explicit photographs of the rhino and his lover.
I wonder if that rhino would ever have the nerve to use it.
He did. He very much did. Right, why are you going... Who's John Blacksad? Your mother?
Hi, Ray.
Hi. Who are you?
Take a guess. I already gave you a clue. I know your name, so...
I don't know.
That means I'm a detective.
No, wait. My Uncle John is a real detective. He's way cooler than you. Wait a minute. You're Uncle John. Uncle John.
Oh, it's his sister.
Guessed it. I'm a
Oh,
detective
bless her.
too. Mom, it's Uncle John. I guessed it.
You got me, Ray. Congrats.
What did I win?
What do you want?
I want a gun. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang.
Good guys don't carry guns, Ray. You know why? Because they always end up shooting someone.
Yeah, that's why they're so cool. My Uncle John.
Ray, is that the way you say goodbye to your uncle?
Oops. Love you, Uncle John.
Now go put on your jacket. We're late.
Bang, bang, bang.
What a surprise. How are you?
Hey, Donna.
Bang, bang, bang.
Everything's fine. Don't you worry about me.
I do worry about you. Especially when you tell me not to.
No, that's how it goes.
Can't argue with that.
Hey, we're kind of in a hurry. Ray's got a dentist appointment. I'll call you soon, okay? I'm really sorry.
Sure. One last thing.
Ray, hurry up. We have to go.
Love you, sis.
And I love you, little brother. Okay,
Aww.
bye, John.
Bye, Uncle John. Bang, bang, bang.
Oh, a little bit of wholesome. No, 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 no. No, 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 call. Oh, Mrs. Colbert.
Sometimes I also use it to type out reports that nobody reads and invoices that nobody pays.
It's just not. It's not just for hitting rhinos over the head. Right, okay. Hey! You're a cat. You can get under there.
Police Commissioner Smirnoff smoked that cigarette. Judging by the way he put it out, he was pretty nervous. Smells good. Tasted even better the day Smirnoff brought it, in exchange for a favor. A favor no cop should ever be paid for.
What did you do? You need to reach it somehow. There's got to be something here. Nope. Apparently you can't turn around though. Come on. I really need to look out the window. Oh, you're a vet? Well, I assume so. You did say. Just move the sofa. It's not difficult, man. Thank you. So law.
Most detectives feel safe with a gun in their pocket. Me, I prefer lockpicks. At least I know these little fellas won't backfire.
That was a quick distance, bro.
John, I thought you won the case. I had to run an errand, but I'll be back in no time.
You made a crappy impression, and now Sonia has second thoughts about you.
I wanted my lockpicks. No.
Looking back, I wish I'd never found my lockpicks. Maybe I wouldn't have gone back to the gym. All hell was about to break loose.
Dun dun dun. Oh, quick stretch.
Bobby yells,
Ah, there we go.
so I decided to drop by,
Something cracked.
lockpicks in hand. The gym could wait.
No, no. Back to. There was the whole point of me getting lockpicks. I needed to go and undo the locker.
Sonia and Jake had already searched the place, to no avail.
Oh, interesting. Ah. Oh my god.
But a good detective would have better luck. I know it might not seem like it, but
Ow! What the hell, dude?
when someone hits you like that, you know you're onto something. It's only fair to show some gratitude.
Well. Long time no see.
No.
I'll change your mind about what to tell my wife now that my partner is sleeping. Damn cat.
Well done, Colbert.
That's why it's so blurry.
Now. How about this? For every wrong answer, I'm gonna give it to you with this club. Deal?
Calm down, will you? Revenge is a dish best served.
Wrong answer.
What? That wasn't a question. You didn't ask a
First.
question.
Well, second question. What the hell are you doing here?
What's why? Cat sensors. Next to the icon, cat sensors are hearing sight and sound. A counter will show a number of small stimuli that will be received in that particular hotbar low in the section. Okay. So the okay.
A shamrock? Is he Irish? It should start to swell any moment now.
Now, where were we? What the hell are you doing here?
I'm a private eye. Sonia Dunn hired me to find Bobby Yale.
I hate detectives.
Oi!
Now, where were we? What the hell are you doing here?
Just said.
Are you of Irish descent?
I've got an Irish boss, just like my friend Colbert here. I'm sure the name O'Leary rings a bell, right?
Desmond O'Leary. If you live in New York City, you've certainly heard of the richest bookie in town. After everything that's happened, I was beginning to feel like this case was finally moving forward.
Wrong answer!
Ow!
But I was wrong.
Seriously, what the hell are you doing here?
Oh my god.
I swear I'm a detective.
And I swear, I hate detectives.
How many times do you have to keep going through this, you idiot?
Alrighty, let's try again. What the hell are you doing here?
Oh my god. I know Colbert and his wife. Oh, God's sake.
For Christ's sake, I'm a detective.
For Christ's sake, I hate detectives.
Stop it. Stop it. I'm trying to tell you and you keep saying the same thing over.
Where were we?
Oh my
What
god.
the hell are you doing here?
I'm
Shut
my
up.
friend Colbert and his wife.
Now he wants to insult you. Alright then, he's all yours. Alright. Now it's your turn. I'll call the boss.
This'll help you change your mind.
Desmond, we caught some damn detective snooping around Bobby Yale's place. Yeah, hired by Dunn's daughter. Safe and sound? What do you mean exactly? Oh, sure. Will do.
Oh no.
Colbert, stop hitting him, you beast.
What a shame. We were just getting to know each other.
I'm guessing the bookie wants to find Bobby. I think it's Bobby. Because otherwise he doesn't have a fight and no one can bet. Do 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 do. Right. Jake, what are you doing?
Thanks, pal.
So, what else can you tell me about Dunn's death?
Well, not much. My memory's not what it used to be. You'd better ask the cleaning lady. She found the body. It should be her shift down at Sam's Diner. The place is close by. Take the main door and follow the street. Just wait till you see her. You're in for a treat, my friend.
Oh,
What can you tell me about Sonia Dunn?
She's hot, ain't she?
oh my god.
You two seem to get along nicely.
Well, I've known her since she was a baby. But she sure has grown, if you get my drift.
Oh, oh.
I hadn't seen her since she left for college about 4 years ago.
It seems like her father's death didn't really upset her.
Well, she likes to play it cool, which makes her really hot.
I think you need a cold shower.
Do you have any idea where Bobby Yale could be?
Not a clue.
You said Yale joined a gang back in the day? Know which one?
Hell, I don't know, John. This is New York City. There are more gangs than people.
I dropped by Bobby Yale's apartment. I think he might be involved with O'Leary, the bookmaker.
You sure? Yale had some dark years, no doubt, but Dunn turned him into a decent guy. I'm no detective, but I wouldn't follow that lead.
Really?
Do you know any of his relatives?
His father, Avenarius.
Avenarius? The boxer poet? Didn't he disappear 20 years ago?
Yeah, and his wife, Bobby's mom, died shortly after. Dunn is the closest thing the family the poor kids had ever since.
If Yale's gonna fight the reigning champion, he's got a big career ahead of him.
He hasn't lost a single fight since he turned pro. The little bastard beat the socks off me a few years back.
Dunn wasn't black, but he allowed you and Bobby Yale to train here.
Yeah, this was the first integrated gym in the city, I think.
What was Joe Dunn like?
He was a decent man. Have you seen all those slogans on the wall? Those motivational phrases? Joe really believed in them. All of them.
He played the saxophone, right?
Yeah, pretty well for a white boy. But he quit when his wife died. Makes no sense, right? I mean, nothing draws chicks like the brass. Why quit when you're finally free?
It's called grief. You
I better let you
uncouth
get back to your drill.
man.
All right.
Finally, let me in.